In this video, you will save an animation using the SketchUp built-in first-person navigation system.
AutoCAD, Statro, Revit, 3ds Max, Photoshop, Lumion, Building Estimation and Costing, ANSYS, Workbench, Facebook डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, इन सभी कोर्सेज को लाइव सीखने के लिए FCAD Academy ऐप को गूगल प्ले स्टोर से डाउनलोड और इंस्टॉल कीजिए। FCAD Academy ऐप को गूगल प्ले स्टोर से डाउनलोड और इंस्टॉल।
To begin with, let's place the virtual camera in this place. Go to the camera menu and choose the position camera. The status bar says select the camera position. And the way that this works, you click. So click over here and drag over to the left. And then release the mouse and the camera is positioned where we put it, and we are looking where we drag the tool. However, we are now on the ground. If you notice in the lower right corner, it says eye height. Let's type 55, enter to go up to the height level. Next, let's set the field of view of this virtual camera lens. Choose camera field of view. You can now drag up your down to the focal length of the lens. This is an interior using a wide angle value around 28 degree. You can see the numbers varying down here in the lower right hand corner. Next, let's back up. To do that, go to the camera, walk, and the way that this works is a lot like you use the arrow keys on the keyboard. I can use the down arrow to back up to move forward, the left arrow turns me left, the right arrows turn me to the right. I can also sidestep by processing Shift plus left arrow, sidestep to the left. So I can spend a little time here navigating, so I can get a good view of the overall kitchen. There is a little bit too much ceiling for the test here. So what I had like to do next is go to camera, look around. The look around tools does not move the camera, but it allows you to. So just drag on the screen. You can look up, look down, look left, look right. And this way I can zero in the view. I'm interesting in sharing with people. And now I am going as a scenes. Go to the window menu and open the scenes window. In window, scenes is a part of the default tray. It may have to be turned on under the plus button here. To save our first scenes. And let's go back into the walk tool. And let's position ourselves in another interesting view. I am going to walk forward. I will sidestep to the right, kind of go in this area. This is an if I am going to walk into the kitchen, about like that. I have saved another scene, scenes 2. Then I will walk into the kitchen and we turn back up to the little bit. Maybe I will look up. I will use look around and look up a little bit higher. Maybe I will back up a little too. Okay, let's save these scenes here. And then I will be back up some more side step and get another view of the kitchen from another angle. That's look good to me. Maybe I will look down a little bit as well. I will save that as a scenes 4. Now that I have saved all the scenes, I can choose this window and then I can go between the scenes just by clicking on the buttons at the top of the scenes. SketchUp provides a very nice transition between each location. We can save this sequence of the scenes as an animation. Go to the File menu and choose Export Animation. Let's call this kitchen.mp4. You can save this as a verify of resolutions. Let's do Full HD, click OK and export. This will take a little while as the SketchUp has to interpolate between the different scenes. It's going to take me about a minute on my computer, but the amount depending on how fast your processor is. When it's done, you will have an MP4 file that you can view in any video player such as QuickTime. Here's what the video looks like in the QuickTime player.